we're going to disassemble and assemble the SIG P320 9mm. Just to show you, the weapon is clear. Magazine's out, magazine's here. We're going to do it blindfolded. Back in the day, when I was on the SWAT team, we used to do this with the MP5 automatic weapon 9mm. Today we're going to do it with the SIG. I've never did it with the SIG before, and but I am very familiar with this weapon. This is my concealed weapon. So we're going to go ahead and blindfold myself with my do-rag and my hat behind my head, backwards. I'm sure I cannot see. And let's get started. Now the barrel has a compensator on it. So I can't take that off, but I can show you exactly how it would take out and then put back in. There we go.